Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 17th. Back on March the 5th, which was 12 days ago, that was my last update with these French marigolds, and I thought it was about time that I gave you a little bit of a update. So I'm just going to lift this up so you can see it a little bit better. So you can see the really nice progress. Give this a little bit of a twirl here so you can see. A lot of the secondary leaves have started at this point. These are coming along super well. So I'm probably going to remove it, remove all the plants from this little container very soon, because I do want these to start establishing a little bit of a deeper root system. But there we go. This one here was just a test. So we've got these here, and then I'm just going to bring some other ones in that I didn't actually film starting off, but I'll just show you these ones here. Now, so you can see the size of pots that I used, and look at this. These are coming in really nicely. Oh yeah. So these also are French marigolds from the same batch of seeds. I had just thrown a lot more in here and then I covered all of them. Whereas in this one here, many of them I had just put on the top. I just wanted to have a little bit of a test to see what would happen. And even with the water and closing the lid down, they dried out and died. But anyway, so yeah, this is just another set. I should put on the screen because I don't remember right now offhand when I started these off, but I did write it down. But anyway, they're coming along really nicely. Yeah, all of this from just free seeds that I harvested. So there we go. Anyway, so because the video is about this one, we'll end off here, and I'll keep you updated on these. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And oh, by the way, if you love to bake, you love food, you can check me out over on my main channel, over at BakeLikeAPro on YouTube. I've got a lot of videos, over 500 videos there. I've got over 600,000 subscribers and all kinds of interesting recipes that I've made over the years. So maybe I'll catch you over there as well. Anyway, thanks very much, and I'll catch you on the next one.